Hi guys! So today I will present communication process using the Jollibee Christmas advertisement. So before we start, let me first discuss the 7 elements of the communication process. The first element is source, the sender of the creator of the message. The second one is encoding, the process of creating the message using words, image, musics, and symbols. The third one is message, the main idea or information being communicated. The fourth one is channel, the medium used to deliver the message. So 5 is the receiver, the person or group who receives the message. So number 6 is the feedback, the response of the audience after receiving the message. So the last one is the noise, anything that interferes with or prevents the audience from understanding the message. So now, I will presenting the video of the Jollibee Christmas advertisement.
Hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Walang ngiti mga tao. Hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Sa loob lang si lola at lolo. Hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Di makalaro sa playground ko. Hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Laging kasama pamilya ko. Sana lagi ang playground ko, ang kwarto ni kuya. Lagi kong kalaro si lolo at si lola, para lagi kong kasama si mama at si papa. Hanggang kailan kaya ganito? Laging kasama pamilya ko. Para laging may kiss, laging may hug, laging may Jollibee. Sarap kasama ang pamilya, sarap kasama ang pamilya.
Now, let's apply these elements to the advertisement. First is the source. The source is the Jollibee. They created and published the Christmas advertisement to connect with people and promote their brand. The second one is encoding. Jollibee used a heartwarming Christmas story, emotional background music, Christmas decoration, facial expressions, and meaningful conversations to communicate with message. Number 3, message. The main message of the advertisement is that Christmas about love, family, kindness, giving, and spending meaningful time with the people we care about. Jollibee remind us that simple moments with our loved ones make Christmas truly special. So number 4, channel. The advertisement was shown through television, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Number 5 is the receiver. The receivers are the families, the children, the teenagers, the young adults, parents, and general public. Number 6 is the feedback. The audience may feel happy or emotional, share the advertisement on social media, comment and react to the video, visit Jollibee, and celebrate Christmas with their family. So number 7 is the special, because this is very important. Noise is the anything that prevents the audience from fully understand the advertisement. Example of the noise in the advertisement are poor internet connection causing the video to the buffer or stop. Number 2 is loud background noise, making it difficult to hear the dialogue or the music. Number 3, people talking or using their phones while the advertisement is playing. So number 5 is language barriers if the viewer does not understand the language used in the advertisement. So number 6 is skipping the advertisement before it ends, causing the audience to miss the main message. The last one is the personal distractions, such as being busy, tired, or not paying attention while watching. In conclusion, the Jollibee Christmas advertisement successfully delivered its message through emotional storytelling by using the 7 elements of communication process. The advertisement encouraged people to value love, family, kindness, and togetherness during Christmas, while also strengthening the Jollibee brand. So, thank you, and that's all my presentation.